How to convert image to GIF online in one click free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and on the search bar just search for image to GIF, and here you'll be able to see different options available for you. So I'm just gonna go for this option over here. So here you can choose any images that you want, or you can just drag and drop the files over here, or you can enter the URL file that you want to convert to GIF from the online. So just tap on choose files and tap on your file manager. Tap on resend. So here I've chosen the file. Now just tap on upload the files. Now it will take a little while to get this done. Now after doing this, you can just tap on make a GIF and it will create an animated GIF for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.